Welcome to Photoplay Paper. I'm Amy Sonneman, and today I get to share with you the Love and Cherish Collection designed by Becky Moore. This collection includes 6 lovely double-sided 12 by 12 papers, as well as an element sticker sheet, ephemera, stamps, coordinating dies, perfect for showcasing all of your beautiful wedding photos, as well as capturing those special memories. Let's jump in and take a look at each of the pieces in this collection. The Love and Cherish Collection includes a collection pack, which includes 2 of each of the 12 by 12 designer papers, as well as the 12 by 12 element sticker sheet. I want to show you each of those up close so you can see all the beautiful papers in this collection. The first paper is called We Do, and it includes 2 4 by 6 cut-aparts with great titles, as well as 8 3 by 4 cut-aparts with some spots for journaling, as well as some great elements. The back of that paper includes this stunning fleur-de-lis with black and white, and there's a little hint of gray texture in the background. Perfect for mixing and matching any of your wedding photos. The nice thing about this collection is that it's subtle and neutral enough to be able to add in any accent color from your wedding. So if you wanted to add a fun pink or a red or a navy or a coral or a teal, you could easily do that with any of the elements in this collection. And I think that's why I like it most. This paper is called Reception, and I love the string lights with the little heart light bulb. How sweet is that? So many weddings now have the lights draped as part of their decor inside and outside of the wedding venue. This would be so fun to use as a background or layer for cards. The back of this paper features this great shiplap background in the more earthy dark wood tones. This paper is called Our Story, which includes lots of cut-aparts and titles, including bridesmaid, groomsman, maid of honor, best man. I love that there are a bunch of different tags that you can easily cut out and add to gifts. You can use it in your album, you can tuck it in a little pocket. There are a couple different kinds. These have little scalloped edges. There are journaling tags as well as fun sayings on the different tags. These are so beautiful. The back of this paper includes rows of these sweet vases on a black background. This could be used for anything. It doesn't necessarily have to be a wedding paper, so I love the versatility of the papers in this collection. Right now, this is one of the hot collections at Photoplay because many of us have sons and daughters that are getting married within the next year, so we're all kind of scrambling for that perfect wedding collection that is versatile enough to be able to be used for all of us. And that's what I love so much about this neutral wedding collection. This paper is called Bouquet, and it features white flowers with lots of beautiful greenery on this textured background that looks very woven. And I think I like this paper most because it's about the bouquet, but it doesn't have any colors besides the greens, the whites, and that kind of grayish taupe color. So if you're having a wedding that's coral or red or purple or teal, any of those photos would look great on this paper. The back of that paper includes that same basket weave texture in the background, kind of white with a little hint of gray, and then these beautiful leaves. Great for mixing and matching with any of the elements in this collection. This paper is called Forever. It features beautiful white roses on a black background with hints of green leaves. The back of that paper includes 4 6 by 6 squares that can be cut apart and used for tags, to mount photos, as well as cards. This paper is called Wedding Day. It includes these stunning roses with shades of gray, lighter shades of brown, perfect for layering and mixing and matching with your wedding photos. The back of this paper includes a black weaved texture with roses outlined in a lighter white. I just wanted to give you an example of how beautiful the papers look with any color mounted on top. So it doesn't matter what color your wedding accents are, this collection works for any of the colors. This is the 12 by 12 element sticker sheet, which includes lots of titles, words, different frames, this adorable truck, lots of titles, as well as two 12-inch sticker strips for borders. You got this fun champagne cart, some beautiful floral accents, as well as the wedding cake, champagne glasses, and so much more. Add a little 3D foam tape to the back of any of these elements for an added dimension in your paper crafting projects. If you're a stamper and you're interested in creating your own cards, invitations, thank yous, this truck is absolutely adorable for any of that. You can add the truck with any of these sayings in this little banner at the back. Just married, congratulations, happy wedding day, bride and groom, true love, congrats, forever, our story, and cherish. There are 2 hearts, as well as this fun banner. There's also a coordinating die set that has 4 dies, which cut out the truck, this little banner, as well as these hearts. And then there's a bonus of Mr. and Mrs., which is really cute as well. The last piece in this collection is the ephemera pack, which includes 26 stunning elements to use in any of your paper crafting projects. There are banners and tabs and tickets and tags, frames, and so much more. Great to add as accents in a layout, use for cards, and so much more. Thanks for watching as we discovered the Love and Cherish Collection from PHOTOPLAY Paper. If you like this video, please like, share, and leave a message. Have a great day.